Okay, we're following the trail of Gunther's obsession. Kleenex, 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 Kleenex. Oh, there he is.
Lexi? Who made this mess? Who did that?
What did you do?
He played in the mud. He played in the mud.
Were you playing in the mud on the mommy's garden? Is that what you were doing?
Hey. Come here. What happened while I was gone today? What happened? Are you going to back out of here again? Where are you going? What happened while I was gone today? Where are you going?
Cancer through power, peace, and purpose. With a lot of help.
Damn it, what are you doing?
Somebody ate my Christmas stickers. Pee-wee? Was it you? Lovey? Did you eat my Christmas stickers? Couldn't have been, huh?
What did you do?
What did you do, baby Jesus?
You ate baby Jesus, Gus. You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Riley, cops are here. Cops are here. Okay, they're gone. They're gone. Good girl.